Lovely, wonderful people. Not be smart, PDP is out and they are telling us exactly how they feel. They say, listen, guys, Atiku is incoming president. Say tribunal will restore PDP mandate and they are taking all evidence to court to show that they are the ones who have it and they will make sure that they claim that which belongs to them, that nobody will take that which belongs to them. They are working at it to ensure that, Tiku's mandate is restored. Well, please, my lovely, wonderful people, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Atiku is incoming president. Tribunal will restore PDP mandate. Tambuwal reveal as PDP goes to court with evidences to show that they won the election. Court action will determine stubbornly or whether stability of democracy, says Damago Sambo, calls for unity amongst party members. Sokoto State Governor and Chairman of the People Democratic Party (PDP) Governors Forum, Aminu Tabowa, has come out to tell Nigerians that the People Democratic Party will get back her mandate. The Electoral Tribunal will restore the mandate of the People Democratic Party presidential candidate and former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar as Nigeria's president, he declared. Tabowa spoke at a reception and sent forth organized by the Forum for its incoming governors and outgoing state chief executive, respectively. Atiku, too assumed the gathering that PDP will recover its mandate because they are going to court with all evidence to prove that Atiku won the election. The party did not lose the February 25th presidential election. Acting National Chairman of the People Democratic Party, Ambassador Damago, advised the judiciary to be careful in handling the presidential election petition challenging the declaration of Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu as winner of the February 25th presidential polls. Damago said the action of the judiciary will determine the growth of democracy in Nigeria. Former Vice President Nomadu Sambo, in his comments, called for unity among PDP members in the state. Sambo expressed worry at the rates of crisis in PDP and suspension of members, saying it is alarming. According to Tabowa, we have the confidence that at the end of the day, the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, will be restored as the constitutionally elected president, from which we all know he won. We are confident that the mandate will be restored. We see him as the incoming president. In his brief remark, Atiku said, we want to refocus our party for the task ahead. I want to assure you that our party did not lose the presidential election. Let's stay determined to restore and retrieve our mandate in the presidential election which held on 25th of February. We have a lot of challenges we used to have in PDP as the dominant party in Nigeria, but we have been residing and we have ensured that we remain united and regain our past glory. We should ask ourselves, why are we in the present situation, and find way to retrieve our past glory. As today we must stay focused and ensure that the right things are done. The acting national chairman of the People Democratic Party and the judiciary remain the last hope for the common man, and they must do all they can to ensure that the right thing is done. So my people, you don't hear Ramon say the way they do, the judiciary, they do it they right to say, because things feel spoil if they not do the right thing. Say, boy, they look, the judiciary is waiting on them patiently to see how they will carry on with matters and see what they will do. Say, because Nigerians are looking at them very critically, Nigerians are paying great attention, and Nigerians wants to know, where this is leaded and where this is going. So because as it stands right now, there are all kinds of reasons, why we are experiencing what we are experiencing today, and it is true that again and again, this nation has been in the hands of bad leadership. But trust me, things are going to change. How, I can't tell you. When exactly, I can't tell you, but it will happen. We have to remain hopeful. We have to sincerely remain hopeful. We cannot be dabbling between opinions. We have to remain hopeful. Okay? So this is what is happening, and why every single one of us must pay good attention and do not allow the same thing that have happened to us previously to be glad a sense of judgment, and to be able to tell things right from wrong, and things how they really are. You see, the issue right now is that everyone who knows the right thing to do and is not doing it is really making a whole lot of mistakes, real lot of mistakes. It is important that we do these things properly, okay, and we don't take court case for granted. We take it very seriously, and we must pray for the judiciary so that they can truly, sincerely, truly, they can truly and sincerely, fear God, and with all the evidences provided to them, they can call, they can they can give they can give a verdict that is right. Okay, we cannot afford to be having all kinds of verdicts that is not right. Okay, so if we want the things to be done decently and in order, every single person will have to act accordingly. Every single person will have to do what is needed and necessary to bring Nigeria to where it ought to be. The cases right now, the issues that are going on are clear indication of where we are at as a nation and as a people. We must ensure that we turn, from everything and anything that is holding us down and bring us into where we need to be. The nation is in dying need of honest and sincere men who could possibly give direction to all that we obtain and we hold dearly as a nation. The nation is in dying need for that. And so we cannot afford to be quiet in the face of all that is happening. If we are going to get, the true desire for the change that we look forward to, then that time is now. Nobody, I repeat with the emphasis on nobody, should take over that which belongs to us and think that things will suddenly fall in place. There are emphasis, there are things that needs to be done so that together we can make a headway. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.